The use of colour on location labels has been widespread now in the UK for quite a long time, but let's have a look at how it came about and what the benefits are to your efficiency. For the answer to how it came about, we have to wind the clock right back to the late 1990s, where I was one of the first people in the UK to acquire a colour digital laser printer. We had a machine called a Xerox DC12, which was fantastic, and that enabled us to be able to print barcodes and colour at the same time, or various colours at the same time. Now again, I'm not going to bore you with how the eyes work or how scanners work, but there is a difference. The cone in the eye recognises colours differently to how a barcode reader works. A barcode reader works on contrast and a thing called minimum reflective difference, which is the contrast between black and white. And human eyes don't work like that. Actually, if you get down to the real technicality of it, the human eye sees black on yellow better than it sees black on white. Hence why safety signs on the side of the road very often have a yellow background. It's to draw attention to it, but also to make sure you see it clearly. What we also realised back in the late 1990s and early 2000s is that human beings find it very easy to recognise and spot colours. So rather than looking for, in this case, an E-level label that might be 4 or 5 metres in the air, they can read off the upright label that the E-level is the blue one, and they just simply put away to the blue label. It removes that, double check of what is the character reference in the air. So there's a speed and accuracy efficiency to be gained out of colour recognition and putting away to colours in the appropriate colour. Occasionally we get jobs where we've got an awful lot of levels, maybe 12, 13, 14. We don't pick different colours, we only use 6 or 7 and we simply rotate them. If it's the second blue one at 15 metres in the air, fine. It's just the second blue one 15 metres in the air. The operator doesn't have to know the colour, he doesn't have to be able to recite its name. He just has to know which beam he's putting the palette on. So it's quite a simple theory, really. It doesn't matter whether the label is on a step beam, on the bottom beam like that one, or utilising the frame like this one. It's simple colour recognition. The operator picks the colour on the bottom beam or the upright and then cross-references it to the air. It's quicker and it's more accurate and there's less errors.